I just want you to know that money is being defined to us as this horrible thing. And it's for you and I. We are part of changing that conversation. We are part of being examples to our kids and generations to come of what the true value of money is and what money can do in this world. So I want you to ask yourself a question. What is your relationship with money? Do you hate it? Is it like hot potato? Is this something you like? Is it something you hate? Is this something you're ashamed to say you love? And I hope this encourages you to evaluate that relationship and ask yourself, where are you right now? Where do you want to be? What relationship do you want to have with money? And I tell you all this with money, about my relationship with money, but I also want you to know that my relationship with myself is also good, right? And to be honest with you, I don't want all my money to disappear, but if it did, I would do it all over again because I am now someone that knows how to create money. I'm someone that knows how to earn. I'm someone that I knows that my clinical income is not doesn't have to be my only source of money.